Across the open fields of England, an ancient silence whispers beyond the wind. Here, where stones have watched over the land for thousands of years, our journey begins. Stonehenge, an eternal symbol etched in stone, defying time and forgetfulness. Every step toward this place is a step closer to mystery, an invitation to pause, to wonder. Surrounded by grass and sky, the stones watch us in return. In their silence, we find our own questions reflected back. Under the clear light of day, shapes emerge, alignments speak, and a force reveals itself, one that transcends ages. A cosmic calendar, a temple, or something the human mind has yet to grasp. Stonehenge. It's not just history, it's a sign. Stonehenge awaits. It's time to see it with your own eyes.